Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Onlyfans taxes, organize your income and expense records, including tips and platform payouts, track totals monthly and save receipts for equipment, props, and internet costs, separate business transactions from personal spending with a dedicated account or card. Consider simple bookkeeping software or a spreadsheet to reconcile payments and fees. Keep records for at least 3 years for audit protection and peace of mind. Gather all payment records, bank statements, and any Form 1099s you received from platforms. Log income by date, payer, and amount, and categorize expenses like equipment, subscriptions, and home office. Use photos or scans to store receipts digitally and back them up. Reconcile your records monthly to catch missing transactions and ensure accurate totals before preparing schedules or paying estimated tax. Accurate books reduce stress at filing time. Identify deductible expenses like cameras, lighting, costumes, props, internet, and software subscriptions used for content creation. If you use a dedicated room, calculate home office deductions using actual expenses or the simplified method. Remember to include mileage for business travel and a prorated share of utilities when applicable. Track health insurance costs if self-employed, and remember self-employment tax is separate from income tax.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.